Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set heat in a Volvo truck. First, locate the climate control panel, usually found on the dashboard. You'll see several dials and buttons. Make sure your truck's engine is running, as the heating system relies on engine heat. We'll start by understanding the basic controls for a comfortable cabin temperature. To adjust the temperature, find the large dial typically marked with blue and red indicators. Turning it clockwise will increase the heat, providing warmer air throughout the cabin. If you turn it counterclockwise, the air will become cooler. Experiment with the settings to find the precise level that feels just right for you and your driving conditions, ensuring a comfortable journey. Next, let's look at the fan speed. There's usually a separate dial for this, often with numbers or fan icons indicating different intensity levels. Turning this dial increases or decreases the airflow, allowing you to control how quickly the cabin heats up. You can also select where the air is directed, such as to the windshield for defrosting, or towards your feet for general warmth and comfort. For maximum heating efficiency, you might use the recirculation button, which helps warm the cabin more quickly by reusing interior air. Always ensure your vents are open and not blocked for proper airflow. If your truck has an auxiliary heater, it's great for maintaining warmth during longer stops without idling the main engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.